So today, actually, I am using this source of my friend's YouTube works which is doing, as he asked for an opinion of what the present situation is. Today's situation, we are in crisis. Why we are in crisis? Because CM has fallen prey to the unwarranted demand made by the either general public or his respected colleagues in the assembly. He fell prey to the pressure, and he has opened out the lockout system, the lockdown system. The lockdown system is the only solution to this crisis, because we have to learn from whatever the world is facing. If the world, which a country like Italy, which is much more advanced in the medical facilities that they used to provide, has failed, drastically failed because of the number of cases they are facing, what would happen to a country and a state like ours, who already have a crisis, a shortage of medical system, of a hospitalization system? We are facing shortage in all this, and how would we be able to face a crisis? We have put the people largely at risk by getting them back on the streets. The lockdown system was the only solution, and there is another suggestion which I would like to, as a ex-Panch member of a village panchayat, I think we are all well connected to the local needs and locals. We know the people very well, and that's why, ensuring your own safety, you would be able to provide information how to best serve the people in your area. So in this, my suggestion would be that the CM should have a coordination routed through his MLAs, through the village panchayats, so that the door delivery service can play effect through the local machinery, local government machinery, which is the Panch members or the councillors in the respected areas, because they are well connected to the locals. They know who is living in their area and who is not. Irrespective of this times, which party we belong to, what ideology we follow, it's a time to unite in this crisis. It's a call to live with humanity. It's a call to live and let live, not to criticize. So let's keep all politics aside, and a call to the CM to work out a solution with coordinating with the Panch members and the councillors of the local governance which you all have in place. It's a very easy solution to you all. Shinchini had taken out a very noble solution. They have taken, the Deputy Sarpanch is on record, Valent Barret is on record. He stated that he has taken an inventory of all the stores he has in the area. So this type of initiative, once you have an inventory, the local panchayat would need help and assistance and direction from the main government, that is the CM, under the CM, to give direction for proper supply to the stores, so the villagers are having enough of stock at their doorstep without coming out of their door. So please consider, as a common citizen, I am making this call, consider this need of the hour. If we can, we will unite, we will fight this disease, and we will make sure Goa comes out victorious and India comes out victorious at large. This is Dominic Noronha, a resident of Serlim, an ex-panchayat and an ex-sarpanch of village panchayat Dramapur, Serlim, and also presently an active member working with a very proactive organization under the leadership of Dr. Ashish Kamath and the United Goans Foundation.